Good morning, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. My name is Pooja Ganchandani and I am Associate Professor, School of Hotel Management, Babu Nasidas University. In today's topic, we will be discussing the unit first, handling guest mails. This is the topic in the third semester, first unit. During this topic, we will be discussing on what front office do while handling the. Before starting with this topic, I would like to tell you that this is the third phase of the guest cycle. That means the guest cycle is described into 4 phases: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. During stage 1, it is the reservation stage. During stage 2, it is the registration stage when the guest actually comes for the check-in. Stage 3 is the stage when the guest has already taken the room or he has been allotted the room and now he is staying in the guest room. And during this time he is required he is provided some of the services. Different services which are being provided during this time are handling guest mails, message handling guest room keys, paging of the guest, handling safety deposit locker in case the guest want room change services, left luggage services, wake up call, and in case if there are any complaints they are being properly looked after and are properly resolved. These are these different kinds of services which are being taken care by the front office. During the stage 3, much of the work of front office is not much, but rather the much work is being performed by the housekeeping or the room service department. The front office only is required to interact and handle certain complaints or mail and message handling. Next is when we are talking about handling guest mails, it is important to know that why we receive mail or what are the guest mails basically. Guest mails are the mails when the guest is away from the home and he requires some address or place where he can receive his mail. He can receive his mail and he require an address there he can receive all his mails. Sometimes what happens is when the guest is away from his house for a longer duration, or sometimes he requires some parcels, some objects during his stay in the hotel. At that time, hotel provide their address as a place where guest can receive his mails. They need a contact address, and this contact address is being provided by the hotels to send parcels or mails or faxes. Anything can be received and collected on behalf of the guest. We as a hoteliers receive it or collect it on behalf of the guest. That means hotels act as an address, or hotel provide guest an address where guests can send or receive their mails, parcels, gifts, in case any other item which they require during their stay in the hotels. We properly receive it and it becomes our responsibility to properly deliver the guest the item received on behalf of the guest. So, like I was telling you, the hotels provide them the address where we receive the guest mails and packages or any gifts on behalf of the guest. We receive them and properly deliver it to them. Now, why it is important? The mail handling process is important because what happens is that when the guest is away from his home and he required an address and we provided this address, that means just like in your homes you get an address, your address act as a proof or act as a place where the letter or mail has been sent. In this similar way, the hotel here act as a address where the mail is being received. Either the mail can be of the resident guest, or it can be for the future guest. That means a guest who will be coming in the future, or it can be for any person staying in the hotel, so working in the hotel also. So what happens is it becomes a responsibility of the receptionist as well as information desk to properly receive the mails and to deliver the mail. It should not cause any delay, or it should not cause any problem to the guest. Any kind of delay will lead to an embarrassment or may lead to a problem for the guest. So it becomes very much important for the front office to take care that mails are properly being received and are properly being delivered to the guest. Different types of mails generally being received by us are, we divide them into two categories: incoming and outgoing mails. Incoming mails are those mails which are being received by the hotel, and outgoing mails are those mails which are being sent by the hotel to the different areas. These mails can be ordinary or registered, similar to the mails which are being received by you. We also received ordinary or registered mails. Ordinary mails are those mails which are sent by the post and directly it comes to us, while registered mails, like the mails from the couriers or speed post, or the mails which are being properly registered and sent to us, whose record we have to maintain. The record of the registered mails is necessary to maintain, but in hotels we maintain the record of both the types of mails. It becomes important for us that how many mails we have received during the day and what all has been done. Either they have been dispatched or not dispatched to the guest. So it becomes very much important for front office to ensure that all the mails received are properly being dispatched to the desired guest. Next is, as I told you, we can divide the mails into two: incoming mails and outgoing mails. Incoming mails are those mails which are being received by the front office, and outgoing mails are those mails which are being sent by the front office to the to the different to the desired address given by the guest, or to the desired place given by the guest. Now, as I told you, we will start with the incoming mails. We will study incoming mails and outgoing mails separately. Right now we are talking about the incoming mails. Incoming mails, as I told you, are divided into two categories: ordinary and registered mails. Similarly, the outgoing mails will also be divided into ordinary mails and registered mails. Ordinary mails are those mails whose delivery record is not maintained by the delivery agency, and hotels keep the record of all the ordinary mails in the mail logbook. As I told you earlier also, that ordinary mails are those mails which record is not being maintained by the delivery agency. That means whosoever has delivered it or sent to us, they will not keep a record of these ordinary mails, but the hotels will be maintaining the record of the ordinary mails also, as they will be writing the details in the mail logbook. Registered mails are those mails whose record is being maintained by the delivery agency also, as well as they take the acknowledgement slip, or you can call it that they take the signature as a token of receipt that they have delivered the mail to the person. That means you will be receiving the or registered mail on behalf of the guest. In case if the mail is tampered or any other problem with the mail, it should be properly noted down so as to avoid any kind of confusion in future. Like what happens is, if you receive a tampered mail basically means कहीं से फटा हुआ मेल है या कहीं से ख़राब मेल है या कुछ पार्सल में कोई दिक्कत है, then what happens is you are the person who is going to deliver it to the guest. So guest will not be able to not believe that it has come in this manner only. मतलब वो पहले से ख़राब आया था या उसकी कंडीशन ख़राब थी, he won't be believing it. He will come with the illusion that it must be destroyed by you only. So it becomes very much important for the front office staff that while receiving any tampered mail or any problematic mail, they should immediately write the details of it and immediately get it written on the mailbox itself, so that it becomes clear that as it was received, it was tampered from the beginning only. That means we have received a tampered mail since we have once we have received it from the delivery boy. So tampered mails have been properly noted down and recorded. These are the two types of mails, two types of incoming mails. Now we'll start with the we will be starting with the procedure, how, what and what you do while you receive the incoming mail. Incoming mails, it is the duty of the information desk of front office to receive the mail. It will be in the large hotels, it is the duty of the information desk, while in the small hotels, generally if we don't have the information desk, it becomes the duty of the front office to receive them. Once you have received the mails, you will find that these mails can be of mail for the department, mail for the hotel staff, mail for the guest. Now each and every mail will be taken care separately. In addition to the ordinary mail or registered mails, these will be further classified or categorized as mail for the staff, mail for the department, mail for the guest. As soon as we receive the mail, we immediately stamp date and time. This is done, again I am repeating, we immediately stamp date and time. That means what we are doing it, हम उस मेल पे जैसे ही हमने उसे रिसीव किया, हमने तुरंत उस पर स्टैम्प किया डेट और टाइम. This is done so as to keep a record that at what time we have received the mail and on which date we have received the mail, so as to avoid any confusion in the future. There might be chances that guest might ask that this mail has been received in a delay. That means ये मेल तो आपको पहले रिसीव हो जानी चाहिए थी, बट ये मेल आपको डिले रिसीव हुई है. To prove this, that this mail has been received on which date and on which at what time, we do the stamping. That means the stamping act as a proof for us that we have received the mail on that particular date and on that particular time. Next is as soon as all the incoming mails are stamped date and time, a proper record of all the mails is kept as per the requirement. That means once you have stamped date and time, immediately what you will do is you will do the entries of all the mails in the mail logbook. Mail logbook is the logbook or a register in which the record of all the mails received during the day is being recorded. Either they are ordinary or registered, whatever kind of mail they are being immediately recorded in the mail logbook. This is the format of the mail logbook. Here you can clearly see that it says serial number, date and time received. That means on which date you have received it and at what time you have received it. Name of the addressee, that means to whom it is to be, from where it has come to, कहाँ से आई है ये mail. Type of mail is ordinary or registered. Delivered to, किसको deliver किया गया है, whether is a guest or anybody else to whom we have delivered to. Then his signature, then it is a signature act as a proof that mail has been delivered. Mail उसको मिल गया है, signature act as a proof. Then the remarks, in the remarks we can write whether it was tampered or anything, or any details if we want to write, then we can write it in the remarks. So this is that means immediately once you have received the mail, you will do the stamping, that means stamp date and time. Then what you will do is you will immediately enter the details into the mail logbook. Now again we will be explaining all the three mails. Hotel mails is identified by the designation of the senior manager of the hotel. For example, general manager, banquet manager. That, as I told you, that we have categorized the mail into three: hotel mail, staff mail and guest mail. So how will you identify that whether it is a hotel mail, staff mail or a guest mail? Hotel mails are generally remarked by or identified by the designation. That means whenever you receive an official mail, generally on the envelope or on the parcel it is written that to the general manager, to the banquet manager, to the executive housekeeper. From here it becomes clear that this mail belong to the managers or these are the hotel mails. That means हम लोग क्या समझते हैं कि जो डिपार्टमेंटल मेल्स मतलब क्या हुआ, डिपार्टमेंटल मेल्स का मतलब हुआ वो मेल जो कि हेड के लिए आई हैं, हेड्स के लिए आई हैं, जो कि डिपार्टमेंटल मैनेजर्स हैं, डिपार्टमेंटल बॉसेस हैं, उनके लिए मेल आई हैं. दोज मेल्स आर कॉल्ड होटल मेल्स. Then we have the staff mail. Staff mail is generally the name is written and the department is written, so it becomes clear that this mail belongs to this person of this department. identified by the presence of name of the employee, his designation and department mentioned on the envelope. These are usually sorted and delivered to the time office. We will be discussing that how these mails and from where these mails are sent. That means hotel mails को हम कहाँ भेजते हैं? Hotel mails are directly sent through the bellboy to their respective office. That means if there is a mail for a general manager, this mail is directly sent to the general manager's office, or F&B manager, this mail is directly sent to the F&B manager office. दैट मीन्स अगर बॉस के लिए मेल आया है तो वो मेल कहाँ चली जाएंगी? वो मेल डायरेक्टली उनके ऑफिस में भेज दिया जाएगा. फॉर द स्टाफ मेल बेसिकली मीन्स एम्प्लॉय मेल्स हम जनरली कहाँ भेजते हैं? इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर बेल बॉय टू deliver the employee's mail to each and every individual. There are hundreds of employees working in the hotel, and that too in the shift. Some might be working in the morning and some in the night shift. So it is not possible for bellboy to deliver each and every mail to the respective individual. So what they do is bellboy will take all the employee mail and deliver it to the time office, and from time office it will be delivered to all the employees. Now what is time office? Time office is the area where all the employees working in the hotel will be doing their check-in. That means the area where they mark their presence, or that they have come to the duty, or they have entered the duty. Generally this area is near to the security, where they mark their attendance that they have come to the duty. So it is the best place where all the mails of the employee are kept, so that whosoever is joining the duty or coming on the duty can check that his mail has arrived, or any parcel or any gift has arrived, and he can collect it from the time office. मतलब हमने एम्प्लॉय की मेल को हमने एक टाइम ऑफिस में भेज दिया. होटल मतलब बॉसेस की मेल या HODs की मेल या डिपार्टमेंटल हेड की मेल हमने उनके डिपार्टमेंट में भेज दी. Now the third type of mail, any mail that is left is supposed to be of the guest. Any left out mails now must be of the guest. These mail may belong to the present guest, past guest or future guest. That means again we are categorizing the guest mail into 3: present guest, past guest and future guest. Again you can see in the flow chart that we have divided the mails are being divided into guest mails and hotel mails is again divided into official mail or employee mail. Official mail will go to the respective departments, of employee mail will go to the respective to the time office. Guest mail is again divided into resident guest, checkout guest and future guest. Resident guests are those guests who are presently staying in our hotel. Checkout guests are those guests who have already checked out from our hotel, and future guests are those who are yet to arrive. That means they are going to come to the hotel. They are still not have come to the hotel, and they will come in future to our hotel. This is what the flowchart says. The flowchart says as soon as the mail is received, incoming mail is received, what you do is you will immediately stamp date and time, enter the details in the mail logbook. Then what you do is first sorting. Sorting basically means छांटना. हम तुरंत ही छांटते हैं into hotel mail and guest mail. Hotel mails is divided into employee mail and the department and the staff mail. Employee mail is sent to the time office, while hotel mails are sent to the department to their respective departmental heads. While the guest mail is again second sorted, and they are placed in the alphabetical way, and it is divided into the present guest, past guest and future guest. Now what happens to the present guest, past guest and future guest? Future guest and past guest we will be discussing later. First we will start with the present guest. Present guest basically means the resident guest or the guest who is staying in the hotel. Now what happens is the present guest, what we do is we check the mail, check that the guest mail is of the resident guest. Then what we do is we check, and what we do is we call the guest in the room and we ask whether to deliver the mail or not. That means if I know the guest is a resident guest and he is in the room, I will immediately call and inform that there is a mail for you, and I will send the bellboy along with the mail and mail logbook, so that guest can receive the mail and can sign the mail logbook. In case if the guest is not in his room, suppose the guest is a resident guest but he is not in his room, then the mail is kept in the mail and key rack. It has been properly kept in the mail and key rack. I will in the later slides I will show you how the mail and key rack look like and what all activities we do. For the past guest, what we do is we check the mail and message forwarding address slip, and then if there is mail and message forwarding address slip, we send the mail to the desired address, or if not, then we send it back to the sender. For the future guest, what we do is we check them against the reservation rack. If there is a guest booking, then we send the mail to the reservation section where it is kept in the hold mail rack and delivered to the guest as and when he comes for the check-in. This was the flow chart. I will be explaining that flow chart in detail. That what happens is, as soon as we receive the mail, what we do is we did the stamping and we did the entry in the mail logbook. Now what we did is we sorted the mails. We sorted the mails into hotel mail and a guest mail. Hotel mails basically can be of departmental mail and employee mail. Employee mail, as I told you, is sent to the time office, while departmental mails are sent to the respective department, that is to the concerned department. Now the guest mail is again sorted into 3: present guest, past guest and future guest. Mail for in-house guest or resident guest or present guest. In the guest who is already staying in our hotel, and suppose we receive the mail for the resident guest. Now what are we supposed to do is we immediately check whether the guest is in the room or not. If the guest is in the room, we send the mail along with the mail logbook to the bellboy so as to deliver the mail and get the acknowledgement. मतलब अगर गेस्ट रूम के अंदर है और उसका कोई मेल या पार्सल या कोई गिफ्ट आया है, तो आप तुरंत बेल बॉय के हाथ लेटर भिजवा देंगे and you will send the mail logbook to get it signed by the guest as an acknowledgement that he has received the mail. In case if the guest is not in his room, suppose if the guest is not in his room and has gone out or wherever, then what you do is the mail is properly kept in the mail and key rack. It has been properly kept in the mail and key rack, and a mail advice slip is put on the doorknob, so that in case if the guest directly come to the room, he would know that there is a mail for him. Or in case there is no mail advice slip placed on the doorknob, then he will never get to know that there was a mail for him. Sometimes what happen is, here I would like to explain you that what happens is, sometimes the guest is not in his room but he has not gone out also. मतलब क्या हुआ कि गेस्ट रूम में भी नहीं है लेकिन वो बाहर भी नहीं गया है. ही इज़ इनसाइड द होटल ओनली. ही मस्ट बी इन एनी ऑफ द पब्लिक एरियाज लाइक कॉफ़ी शॉप और रेस्टोरेंट, and from there he directly goes into his room. Now when he went into the room and there was no information about the mail, he will never get to know. For that only what we did is we placed the bellboy placed the mail advice slip. Bellboy ने जब देखा कि गेस्ट रूम में नहीं है तो गेस्ट के रूम के बाहर मेल एडवाइस स्लिप लगा दी. इट इज़ वेरी मच सिमिलर टू दी DND कार्ड. The guest can see that there is a mail for him and he can directly can get to know and can immediately contact the reception. Nowadays what we are using is, instead of placing the mail advice slip, we have the lights on the telephone or on the door which keeps on blinking and informing the guest that there is a mail for him. That means now it is more software oriented or computer oriented, where the bells where the light is being pressed on the telephone in the guest room or on the door, and it keeps on blinking and making guest aware that there is a message or mail for him. Now this is how the mail and key rack look like, and this is how your mail advice look like. Mail and key rack, it is very much clear from the picture that it is a box or it is a keyhole where the keys are being kept, and the small boxes where the mails can easily be kept. And then there is a mail advice slip. It is the mail advice slip says attention, the name and the room number, and please contact information or telephone operator for there is a message for you, that there is a telegram for you, there is a parcel or there is a letter for you. This mail advice slip is placed outside the guest room door. Now next is past guest or checkout guest. Past guest basically means the guest who has already checked out from the hotel. Now sometimes what happen is there is a mail for the guest who has already checked out from the hotel. Sometimes what happen is that when the guest was staying in the hotel, he was expecting a mail. That means उसका कोई मेल और कोई पार्सल कोई गिफ्ट आने वाला था, लेकिन ड्यू टू सम रीज़न ही हैज़ टू चेक आउट और इट वॉज हिज डेट ऑफ चेकआउट एंड ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू रिसीव द मेल ड्यू टू delay in the post delivery of the mail or any other reasons. Hotel was not able to receive the mail. Now he has to check out from the hotel, and once he has checked out from the hotel, there might be possibility that that when he has checked out from the hotel, we receive the mail. Now in case if we receive the mail at the time when the guest has already checked out from the hotel, now what we do is, in case if the guest is very much aware that there will be a mail coming, he immediately informs the reception that I am leaving from the hotel, but there is a possibility that you might receive a mail on my behalf. And so he delivered the address. This address is filled in the mail and message forwarding address slip. This address is being filled in the mail and message forwarding address slip. This address act as a place from where we can send the guest mail. We will be collecting in case if the address is there, then it becomes our duty to send that mail to that address. That means गेस्ट जब चेकआउट कर रहा है तो वो एक एड्रेस दे गया कि प्लीज़ अगर कोई मेरा मेल आए मेरे बाद में तो आप उस एड्रेस पे ये मेल भेज दीजिएगा. See, when we are sending these kinds of mails, we require some money also. Our postal charges are being collected from the guest. So so when the guest is check out, at that time only the postal charges are also being collected from the guest. So in that means if the instructions are being left by the guest, then we act accordingly. But if there is no such instructions left by the guest, then what we are supposed to do is we will send back to the sender. That means it becomes very much clear that if there is an address left by the guest, then only we will be sending the letter to that address. Otherwise we will not be receiving the letter. ये बहुत क्लियरली है कि अगर आपके पास चेकआउट गेस्ट है और उसका कोई एड्रेस आपको नहीं है या आपको नहीं पता कि वो मेल आपको कहाँ भेजनी है, तो आप वो मेल रिसीव ही नहीं करेंगे. What you do is you will send it back to the sender. That means from where it has come, you will send it back to that area only. And in case if the guest has sent you the address or has given you the address, that address is being filled in the mail and message forwarding address slip. This format clearly gives you the idea that for how long you will forward until कब तक आपको उसे भेजना है. Hold until, in case if the guest want it to be holded. Forwarding address, that means to which address we have to send it. That means आपने मुझे बता दिया है कि इस एड्रेस पे ये मेल को भेजना है and I will be doing it. क्योंकि आप तो चेकआउट कर चुके हैं, guest has already checked out. Now it becomes my duty to forward this letter to that address. Name and signature of the guest, that means he will be writing this address properly and clearly. Date, type of, I will be filling up date, type of the mail, forwarding address and forwarded by. Who has forwarded it, that means it was whose responsibility to forward that mail. Sometimes what happens is that there is a misplace of the address, and so the message is being properly written and it is being clearly identified that to whom this mail is to be sent, and it clearly specified that to whom this address and this mail is to be sent and who has forwarded it. Sometimes what happens is that there is a mail and there is a letter and I have sent it to that address, whatever has been written by the guest, but the particular person or the particular guest has not received it. So this slip or this format act as a proof that to which address you have sent it and who has sent this to this address. That means whosoever receptionist is responsible or whosoever bellboy is responsible, it becomes clearly identified by this format. The next is future guest. If the guest is a future guest or yet to arrive guest, then that means that guest has not come to our hotel and he is going to come in the future. That means an advanced guest or a future guest who has given us the booking but has not come to the hotel. Mail of such guest is marked with the date of arrival. Such mails are marked with the date of arrival. That means on which date the guest will be coming, and it is sent to the reservation section. what we do is the information desk immediately check that the name of the with the name of the guest, that whether the guest has booking or not with the reservation rack. इन फ्रॉम द रिजर्वेशन रैक, दैट मीन्स हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम गेस्ट का लेटर को, गेस्ट के मेल को चेक करते हैं रिजर्वेशन रैक के रिकॉर्ड से. अगर रिजर्वेशन रिकॉर्ड में गेस्ट का नाम मिल जाता है तो हमें पता चल जाता है दैट दिस मेल बिलोंग टू अ पर्टिकुलर गेस्ट हु इज़ गोइंग टू कम इन द फ्यूचर. दैट मीन्स ही माइट बी कमिंग इन 2 to 3 days or whatever. So what we do is we immediately send this mail to the reservation section where it is kept in the hold mail rack. That rack is called hold mail rack. In that rack it is being kept and it is being marked on the advance reservation slip, and it is being complete, it is the mail received is being marked on the reservation slip also, so that it becomes clear while filling the GRC that there is a mail for the guest and it should be delivered to the guest when he comes to the reception for the check-in. And now the mail will be kept in the hold rack till the time guest doesn't come for the check-in. Once the guest come for the check-in, the mail will be given to the guest. मतलब क्या हुआ कि हमने मेल को होल्ड रैक पे रखा जब तब तक के लिए जब तक कि गेस्ट रिजर्वेशन एक्चुअली में चेक इन करने के लिए ना आ जाए. जब गेस्ट चेक इन करने के लिए आ जाता है और GRC फिलअप करता है, देन दिस मेल इज़ डिलीवर्ड टू द गेस्ट. दिस इज़ द फ्यूचर गेस्ट. Now we are going to do the outgoing mail. Before starting with the outgoing mail, I would just like to revise it the incoming mails. That means incoming mails are those mails which as soon as we receive it, what we do is we stamp them date and time. We sort them into two: guest mail and hotel mail. Hotel mail is again sorted into the present guest, and hotel mail is again sorted into the departmental mail and the employee mail. And the guest mail is again sorted into present guest, past guest and future guest. So for the hotel mails, if we look into the hotel mails, we say that hotel mails divided into departmental mail and the staff mail. Departmental mails are sent to the concerned departments. Staff mail is sent to the time office where it is delivered to the respective employees. While the guest mail is again sorted into present, past and future guest. Present guest is the guest who is staying in the hotel or is a resident guest. Mail of such guest is either, if the guest is in the room, the mail of such guest is sent to the room and his acknowledgement is taken on the mail logbook. In case the guest is not in his room, his mail is kept in the mail and key rack, and mail advice slip is placed on the doorknob. In case the guest is a past guest, then the mail, if the guest has left any mail and message forwarding address slip, is at this address, on that particular address the mail is being sent by the reception. And in case if there is no such address, then the mail is sent back to the sender. That means from where it has arrived, it is sent to that particular address. For the future guest, mail of such guest is marked with the date of arrival and is sent to the reservation section. It is kept in the reservation section in the hold rack, and when the guest will come for the check-in, it will be given to the guest on his at the time of his check-in. Then that means by the time it is being kept properly in the hold rack, and when the guest is about to come or is going to check in the hotel, then the mail is brought at the reception area and is given to the guest. Now this was all about the incoming mail. Next is outgoing mail. Outgoing mails, as I told you earlier only, that outgoing mails are those mails which are being sent from the hotel. Actually, incoming mails were those which were received by the hotel, while the outgoing mails are those which are being sent by the hotel. Outgoing mail का मतलब हुआ जो हम मेल भेज रहे हैं अपने यहाँ से. The outgoing mails are again divided into two: in-house mail or resident guest mail and the hotel or staff mail. In-house guest, that means the resident guest, it is the in-house guest who has been given the full authority that they can send the mail from the hotels. For that only that they have to pay. In case that means in case the guest wishes to send a mail through front office, the hotel provide the services. For this services, the bellboy is responsible for posting the mail, and the charges are added into the guest account through the miscellaneous charge voucher, and it is authenticated by the authority or front office cashier, and a record of is maintained in the outgoing mail register, and the record of this is also being maintained in the outgoing register. That means the mail is being delivered, हम लोग मेल को डिलीवर करने भी जाएंगे, एंड इट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ द बेल बॉय. फॉर दैट वी चार्ज ऑल्सो, वी टेक चार्ज फ्रॉम द गेस्ट, एंड द डिटेल्स आर बीइंग इवन एंटर्ड इनटू दी आउटगोइंग मेल रजिस्टर्ड. मतलब कितनी मेल्स हमने अपने यहाँ से डिस्पैच की हैं उन सब का भी रिकॉर्ड रखा जाएगा, और उसका रिकॉर्ड रखा जाएगा आउटगोइंग मेल रजिस्टर में. गेस्ट से उसका चार्ज भी लिया जाएगा, वी टेक द चार्ज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द गेस्ट. नाउ फ्रॉम द होटल, actually I have written it hotel staff mail. Basically what happens is staff or the employees are not allowed to send the mails from the hotel. That means staff can deliver their mail on their own. जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, होटल के एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, वो अपना मेल, अपना पर्सनल मेल अपने आप से पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. It is only the bosses or the official mails of the heads are being sent from the hotel. For that the money is collected from the accounts, or they can send it directly from their departments. That means if a purchase manager or executive housekeeper want to send a mail or an official mail, then this mail can be sent either through the bellboy or through their own staff. It can be sent, and it will be sent through the hotel accounts. That means कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर होटल या ऑफिशियल मेल्स भेजी जानी होती हैं, जैसे जनरल मैनेजर को कोई मेल भेजनी है या फ्रंट ऑफिस मैनेजर को कोई मेल भेजनी है, तो वो मेल हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है भेजना, और उस मेल का चार्ज या उस मेल का को किस में डाला जाता है, उस मेल की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट की होती है. एंड इट इज़ द बेलबॉय की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि उसे डिलीवर करके आना या डिस्पैच करके आना. समटाइम्स इट इज़ बीइंग डिस्पैच बाय द बेलबॉय, एंड समटाइम्स इट इज़ बीइंग डिस्पैच बाय द this respective staff. Like if the F&B manager want to send it, he can send it by F&B staff only or purchase staff only, so they can send it by through the respective staff also. It is up to them. So this was the and the employees are usually not encouraged. That means employees को हाँ अलाउड नहीं है कि वो अपना पर्सनल मेल होटल के बिहाफ से भेजें. They usually not encouraged to send mail through the hotel and is required to send the mail on their own. While any mail can be sent out of the various department से भेजी जा सकती है, of the hotel is sent by the department directly. मतलब कि F&B मैनेजर डिपार्टमेंटल मेल से, यहाँ आप समझिए कि बॉस ने अगर कोई मेल भेजनी है तो वो मेल्स को कहा जा रहा है, या ऑफिशियल मेल जिसको आप कहते हैं, जो कि आप अपने कॉम्पिटिटर या गेस्ट किसी को भेज रहे हैं, वो मेल्स को हम ऑफिशियल मेल कहते हैं. और वो मेल्स आप डायरेक्टली भेज सकते हैं, सच एज अकाउंट्स, फूड एंड बेवरेज रिजर्वेशंस डिपार्टमेंट से आप डायरेक्टली भेज सकते हैं, एंड इट इज़ टेकन केयर बाय द होटल ओनली, नॉट योर पर्सनल मेल्स. एम्प्लॉयज़ आर नॉट अलाउड टू सेंड देयर पर्सनल मेल्स. लाइक इफ द F&B मैनेजर ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू सेंड अ पर्सनल मेल टू हिज फैमिली को अगर पर्सनल मेल भेजना चाहता है, लेटर भेजना चाहता है, दैट इज़ नॉट अलाउड. ओनली द ऑफिशियल मेल्स विच आर बीइंग रिक्वायर्ड, which are officially involved in departmental information, then only it can be sent, like purchase requirement, linen requirement, brochures, any such mails are being sent from the accounts of the hotel. This is the format of the outgoing mail register. You can clearly see that it mentions all the details. That means serial number, room number, from which room number it has been sent, name of the guest, किस गेस्ट ने भेजा है, एड्रेस टू किसको एड्रेस है, टू whom it is to be delivered, description of the mail, that is whether it is ordinary or registered mail, postal charges, how much charges are being placed, received by, to whom, who has received it. It is not the guest who is receiving it, it is the front office staff who received it, date and time received, that means at what time I have received it, and on which date I have received it. पोस्टेड बाय, किसने उसे पोस्ट किया, दैट मीन्स बेल बॉय का नाम या जो स्टाफ जिसने पोस्ट करने गया था उसका नाम, डेट एंड टाइम ऑफ पोस्टिंग, कितने बजे पोस्टिंग किया गया और किस डेट पे पोस्ट किया गया, एंड एनी सच रिमार्क्स विच नीड टू बी मेंशन अदर देन दिस. मतलब पूरी डिटेल जो एक मेल की भेजी जानी है गेस्ट की तरफ से, उसका पूरा डिटेल रखा जाता है, किसने रिसीव किया, किसने पोस्ट किया, मेल किस तरह की थी, उसके चार्जेस क्या थे, उसमें नेम किस गेस्ट ने दिया था, उसका रूम नंबर क्या था और किसको एड्रेस था. ऑल डिटेल्स आर बीइंग प्रॉपर्ली टेकन and enter into the register, so as to avoid any kind of confusion or any kind of problem in the future. This is the entire process of handling the guest mails. Once again, I have kept this flow chart again at the end, so that you can just revising it once again, that there are the mails Mails are divided into two: incoming and outgoing mails. Incoming mails are divided into two, or they are divided into they are sorted into two. You can call it sorting. Sorting basically means छांटना. तो sorted into two: guest mail and hotel mails. Hotel mails are official mails and employee mails. Official mails are those mails which are sent directly to the departmental heads or directly to the office. Employees mails are sent directly to the time office, from where the employees can collect it on their own. And guest mails are those mails where the it is again sorted into three: resident guest and past guest and future guest. Resident guests are those guests the mails of which are being sent. If the guest is in the room, the mail is directly sent to the guest room. If the guest is not in his room, the mail is being properly kept in the mail and key rack, and it is mail and key rack, and mail advice slip is placed on the doorknob. If the mail is of the checkout guest, then the mail is kept in the we check the mail and message forwarding address slip. If the guest has left any mail and message forwarding address slip, it is being forwarded to that address. If the guest has not left any mail and message forwarding address slip, then it is send it back to the sender. From where it has arrived, it is sent back to that address. For future guests, the mail is received and is checked with the reservation records or reservation rec. And if there is a mail for the guest, then that mail is kept in the hold rack till the time the guest arrives for the check-in. That means we keep the mail in the hold rack, and when the guest arrives for the check-in, then we deliver it to the guest. This was all the procedure of the incoming mail. For the outgoing mail, again for the outgoing mail, employees or the staff is not allowed to send the mails. Official mails are sent from the departments and can be sent through by the bellboy. Especially for the guest mail, it is important that the guest mails are dispatched by the hotel. We do it. That means this service is being provided, that we will be delivering the guest mail. That mail, for that we take the charges from the guest. So most important in the outgoing mail is the guest mail, and that we take the charges from the guest. We receive it and we dispatch it, and for that we take the charges. Employees are not allowed to send the mail through the hotel address, and the official mails or departmental mails are being sent from their respective departments or by the through the bellboy under the heads of accounts or permission of front office. This was all about handling guest mails. I hope the topic is very much clear to you all. In case of any queries, you can do write to me or can mail us. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Thank you once again for listening.